Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. In today's video, I am going to put together this kit with my daughter that we got from Harbor Freight, so stick around. What are you going to do, Claire, now?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? And the little pieces, I just take them out. Where's the little sandpaper?
Dad, can you take the insides out?
Yeah.
Why have so many legs?
Okay, Claire, so now we got to look at this picture and find the pieces that go to it.
Those are wings. Okay, so let's put the wings here.
Let's start with his head. You need to find his leggies.
Legs.
Not leggies. Any more leggies? They're all the same. I think the ones in the front are the biggest. Let's get the biggest ones. I'm pretty sure you got the right idea.
According?
It should be.
It is.
Okay.
Let's do the wings.
We got one more. Get the tail. This part of things right here. Yeah, tail. Nope, you had it right. Alright, so the next, what's the first wing? The big ones? Good job.
Yay! We're done!
Alright guys, so my daughter really liked this thing. It turned out pretty good. She's going to spend time tomorrow and actually colorize it with my wife. But I wanted to share with you a few things that I found when doing this. I grew up building these things myself and had a lot of fun doing them, but I always remembered there were instructions on putting them together. This in particular, there are no instructions. In fact, the instructions say to look at the picture. So if you're not a visual person, you're not going to be able to put this together. There is a picture on the back that has numbers next to all of the different parts. So I'm sure you could probably find some instructions, although there is nothing on this box that states there are instructions online. So it's a little downfall. And the other downfall was when I built these as a kid, they would go together nice and tight. In fact, sometimes they were too tight. You had to sand it, which was why they give you this tiny little piece of sandpaper. This, to me, was very pointless because it was actually way too loose. So I had to turn to my trusty Loctite super glue to hold each joint together. And you probably spotted me using that in the video because my daughter's going to be handling this thing. I don't want it falling apart. So if you're going to buy one of these things, pick up some super glue as well. Now Harbor Freight sells super glue. For this kind of project, just buy their super glue. You'll be fine. I prefer this Loctite. Works much better, but you know, this is something that honestly probably won't stick around all that long because if you've got kids, things break. This is wood. In fact, when she was taking some of this apart, one of the feet got broken, so we ended up repairing that with the super glue, and it works fine. But anyways, I hope this was helpful to you. If you're planning on putting one of these together for your child or with your child, and just kind of a fun thing, just showing you me and my daughter and what we like to do together. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Are you ready? Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. In today's video, I'm going to put together this really cool kit with my daughter. It is from Harbor Freight. I messed up. I messed up. You were perfect. I messed up. So I'm going to say, alright, we'll do it again. When I put together this kit, when I do that, that's when you can pick it up. When I say this kit, and you can pick it up and show the camera. Okay, let's do it again. Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. In today's video...